Have you ever stopped to think about what would happen if someone stole your security camera or if the SD card simply stopped working? All your evidence would be gone in a second. In this video, we are going to show you a very useful trick to save your ICSee camera images for free on the internet. This creates a powerful off-site backup, so you never miss a detail, no matter what happens to the physical camera. To follow this tutorial, you will need a Google account. You can use your personal one, but we recommend creating a new Gmail account specifically for your camera. Since creating a Google account is very simple, we won't show that process here to keep the video fast. However, we'll leave a step-by-step link at the end of this video if you need help with that. The next step is to configure the account the camera will use. Since most people access ICSee via mobile, we are going to show the setup on a smartphone, but the steps are almost identical on a computer. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or contact our free technical support. The first thing we need to do in the Google account is enable two-step verification. The most practical way to do this on a phone is to open the Gmail app. Tap the profile picture and select Google account. Then, tap the search icon, search for two-step, and select two-step verification phones. Tap Add Phone Number. Make sure to enter your full country code and phone number, as you will likely receive a validation code. Once verified, tap Turn On. Now, you must go back to the previous page and type app password in the search bar. Select App Passwords. Scroll down. Type a name of your choice and tap Create. A unique password will be generated. You must copy this password because you will need it inside the ICSee app. Now, let's open the ICSee app together. Tap the Settings button. On the screen that opens, tap Smart Alarm. Check if this option is enabled and showing green, and then enable the email option. If it shows a message like this, tap this button. And once you see the screen, you must enter the Gmail account information that you configured. You must provide the server address and the port. For encryption, you should leave it as automatic. In the sender field, you must type the Gmail address that the camera will use. In the recipient field, type the same address again. And for the password, paste the app password that you copied earlier. When you're finished, tap Save. If everything is correct, whenever the camera detects movement, it will send the image to your email. This way, if something happens to the camera or its memory card, you won't lose the footage. We hope you can complete this configuration without any trouble, but as we mentioned, if you need help, just leave a comment or contact our technical support, which is free for subscribers. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now to get access to this benefit. May God bless you, and we will see you in the next video.